Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the function modifiers. Function modifiers can be used to change the behavior of functions in a declarative way. For example, you can use a modifier to automatically check the condition prior to executing the function. So let's create a contract function modifier as well. Let's copy these two lines, break my license, create a contract, name it function modifier demo. Now create a variable public, sorry, address public immutable and then owner. Now create another variable unsigned integer public a. Now let's create a constructor and assign an owner value to the deploy address. Now create a function increment a, make it public and a equal to a plus 1. We can also write it like this, that both are equal, so we will use short form. Now create another function that is decrement a minus equal to 1. So we have both the function increment and decrement. So right now anyone can call increment and decrement functions. Let's deploy it. How it works, I've deployed it. Value of a is equal to 0 and then increment it, I value 1, increment again 1, now decrement it, now value is equal to 1. That's the owner of the smart contract, this ID. Now changes to this one and let's see, are we able to call increment a or not? Yes, we have called it again, now value is 2. So what if we want to restrict these two functions to the owner only? So we will create a modifier function, let's say only ownable. Let's name it only owner, so just only owner can access it. Let's call a function require inside it, as we have already seen require how it works. Require is equal to message dot sender. If this condition not met, then we will show this function can only call by owner of this contract. So we have created the modifier function. Now we will add underscore. Is used to denote where the body of the function being modified should be inserted. It means that after this line, this block will continue to execute it. First we have to restrict the function by adding the modifier name here, and also we are adding it here. So now we have restricted these two functions to only owner by adding a modifier. We can use multiple modifiers also. Let's deploy it and check it. Here it is. The owner of the contract is 0x4b, right? Now what the value of a is 0. Now incremented it. It's incremented successfully. Incremented it again. Now value is 2. Now decremented. Now value is 1. So increment decrement is working fine because the owner of this contracts are calling this function. Now we have changed the address and let's call it again. The value of a is equal to 1. Now increment it. Okay, so it gives us the error and the transaction has been reverted to the initial state. Whenever the condition is not met, then the transaction has been reverted to the initial state, and it shows this message: the function can only be called by owner of this contract. So that's how we can use function modifiers in Solidity smart contracts. Thank you.